It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you...
MD, Juan Diesel here, training back at the East Coast Mecca, having fun. About 4 weeks after this off season, and I start transitioning to pre-contest. Or 5 weeks, I don't even know, something like that. Prep is soon, that's all I know. What's next for you? Oh, cool. I'm doing the Arnold Brazil. I'm skipping the Arnold Ohio. New York. I gotta go. I gotta win New York before I decide to go to Ohio. Until I win New York, I'm not going to Ohio. So if I don't win it this year, I'm not going to Ohio next year either. I'm gonna wait. Goal is New York Pro. Want that title. Want it bad. That's my Olympia. I said that before, and I'll say it again. I want New York.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day.
So here, it works all up here. So it's middle, while wide works out here, the mid works the upper mid back. Just so you feel it. Making sure we make the back 3D. Get all those bumps to pop out. All season, having fun. I'm a pre-contest guy, man. I mean, I love pre-contest. People love the off season. I like pre-contest. Just I feel more comfortable when I'm a little bit lighter in weight. When I'm heavier, it's slow down a little bit. You know, that little extra weight slows me down. I mean, I still train as hard as I can. But when I'm pre-contest, I feel like indestructible. I feel like I'm unstoppable. I can just feel like there's nothing I can't do. Now I feel like I have limitations. But I still love the off season. I mean, my favorite part about the off season is always being extremely happy. I'm always happy, but now I'm extremely happy, and just, you know, I'm able to hang out more with my family and do things, so it's more on the downtime. So you do need the balance. You know, as far as on the training aspects, I'm better off from pre-contest, but all season is more like just, you know, do things with the family and have fun. The eating for me doesn't change much. You know, all season pre-contest, I eat similar. The only thing is, you know, when I'm pre-contest, I have a Sunday. Now I have, like, you know, I cheat a lot more. I have like 2 or 3 cheat days, and I have junk every day in the off season. So it's like, you know, it's different. Pre-contest, I do a strict 6 days. So, but you know, I'm always eating a lot. As far as cleaner foods, I eat more pre-contest. Now I'm, you know, like, I don't know. Off season pre-contest, I'm off season right now and then having some fun with, I call him Kevito, the king. I would say now it's a party, but now it's a party.
Come on. Ha, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. That's dead right. If the head right, Biggie there every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules.
All right, guys, this is my light day, so don't make fun of me just because I'm not going that heavy. It's okay. You gotta have a balance. Light and a heavy day. Now it's a party. Now it's a party.
Yep.
Hey, what's up, guys? Juan Diesel here. Want to give special thanks to MD, One Up, wife, family, Big Kevito, Kevin English, the King, and see you guys very soon. And can't forget, Stephen Bev's Gym, East Coast Mecca, baby. Now it's a party. Woo!